Hey, this is Rudy. I'm doing a bike check. I got Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. They're nice grips in white. I got tree bar ends that thread on. They're red but spray painted blue. And then I got tree branch bars. They're nice bars. It's an 8-inch rise and 27 width. I got a haro top-low stem, DK compression bolt, BSD integrated headset. I got classic dirt forks, Odyssey classic dirt forks. I got a X rims, front rim. I got a haro. What do you call it? Yeah, haro. And it's a 65 psi tire, and it's a 20 by 2.0. Yeah. I got a 2010 DK reaction frame. It's a nice frame. Got the stock seat clamp, and then the stock seat post, stock DK seat post. You could go used to go down all the way here, and now it goes up to here because I cut it. Makes it a little bit lighter. My top tube is a 20 by 20.75. Nice long top tube. I got haro cranks, and then I got Colony Fantastic PC pedals, and then I got a fit sprocket. I got a cane, and then I got a profile American bottom brackets. And they're nice bearings. Yeah. I got a KMC chain. Yeah. I got a 9-tooth driver back here. It's a Sputnic rewind V2 cassette hub. Nice hub. I got shadow spokes and nipples. I got black spokes and chrome nipples. And I got a Viper rim hoop. Nice Viper right there. And I got a Kolt back tire, 65 psi, 20 by 2.0, 20 by 2.25. Nice tire. This is how my hub sounds like. Nice and loud. My bike comes out to be 25 pounds. It's pretty light. Thanks for watching.